Hey everyone, the Hostinger Black Friday sale 2025 is here, and it's their biggest discount of the year. You can now get up to 80% off a free domain for 1 year and 3 extra months of hosting free. Use my special coupon code Black Friday to get an extra 10% off on top of that. Why go with Hostinger? It's super fast. Your website will load quickly with Hostinger's latest servers. It's easy to use. Even beginners can build a website in minutes with their simple control panel. You get AI tools that can help you create your site automatically. No tech skills needed. And you'll get 24/7 chat support if you ever need help, along with a free SSL certificate for security. If you've been waiting to start a blog, online business, or portfolio website, this is the best time to do it. Just click the first link in the description, use code Black Friday, and grab up to 80% off plus extra 10% discount before the sale ends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hosting Help 247 for more hosting tips and deals. Thanks for watching.